from Jenbach, Austria to the world. INNIO Group, together with its Jenbacher distributor RNP, has launched a groundbreaking project in South Korea. Hyosung Heavy Industries has selected Jenbacher Ready for Hydrogen engine technology for the first pilot power plant project in the Asia-Pacific region that will be fueled by 100% hydrogen. This hydrogen power plant marks a significant step toward the green energy transition for the region.
Myself is Richard Jung from Korea. My company is the distributor of INNIO Jenbacher. This week, let's say, is amazing because, first hydrogen engine and then will operate soon. And therefore, yes, quite impressive. For the Asia-Pacific regions, is first hydrogen engine. We can test it. I'm proud of it very much.
INNIO Group's vision drives this historic collaboration, where thought leadership and clear communication are key. That's why the customer visited INNIO Group's primary operations in Jenbach, witnessing the hydrogen engine on the testbed for the first time. After an exciting and successful week, the engine was ready for shipment to Korea.
The Asia-Pacific regions, this project is quite be some milestone.
From Austria, the engine was transported to Hamburg, Germany, and then shipped to Ulsan City in Korea, arriving at the Hyosung chemical plant. A service and engineering team welcomed the engine for installation.
We are here to commission our first 100% hydrogen engine in the Asia-Pacific region, which is a remarkable step towards sustainable energy. Hyosung is committed to improve their carbon footprint and play its role in the global energy transition.
Our government trying to reduce the amount of greenhouse gas, and pure hydrogen gas will be definitely one of the key options.
It's truly rewarding to see another hydrogen engine live in field now. Bringing this innovative technology to the Asia-Pacific region is definitely a significant milestone.
Now, the engine has been installed and is running on 100% hydrogen. This is a remarkable step towards sustainable energy, a significant milestone for the Asia-Pacific region, and another successful project from INNIO Group, which is changing the world with better energy.